In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use calendar blocks on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Let's start right in your Squarespace dashboard. Open the site you want to work on and enter the page editor so you can make changes to the layout. Once you're in editing mode, hover over the section where you want the calendar to live and add a new block. From the block picker, choose Calendar. This places a calendar block directly onto your Fluid Engine canvas. Next, double-click the new calendar block to open its settings. Here, choose the collection you want the calendar to pull from. Typically, that's your events collection, but it can also be any collection that contains dated items. Selecting the correct source ensures your calendar automatically displays the right titles, dates, thumbnails, and links. Now, shape the block to fit your design. Use the grab handles on the corners and sides to resize it. Dragging the corners scales both width and height together, while dragging a side adjusts one dimension at a time. With Fluid Engine, you're working on a responsive grid, so feel free to move the block around until it snaps into a layout that looks balanced with your other content. While the block is selected, look for the vertical alignment controls for the section. These let you align the calendar to the top, center, or bottom of its grid area. Center alignment is a great starting point if you want the block to feel visually anchored, but top alignment often works best when your calendar sits beside text or an image. As you fine-tune placement, remember you can drag the edges of the calendar to make it larger or smaller and position it exactly where you want within the grid. If your event thumbnail images aren't showing on the individual dates, widen the block. Thumbnails need enough horizontal space to appear. A slightly wider calendar often reveals them instantly. Typography is taken care of for you. The calendar block automatically inherits your paragraph font family from site styles, so it will match the rest of your site's look without extra configuration. If you need deeper visual control, like changing specific colors, borders, or other detailed styling, you'll need to use custom CSS since those options aren't available in the standard design menus for this block. That's the full workflow. Add the calendar block, connect it to the right collection, adjust size and alignment in Fluid Engine, and make minor tweaks for thumbnails and typography. With just a few thoughtful adjustments, you'll have a clean, functional calendar that fits your layout and pulls in events automatically.